My name is Keith Stormo. I have been an engineer by practice, but not by profession. I'm a teacher and then came out to Idaho and got my PhD in micro and molecular biology. But I've always had projects going on in the background. My whole life has been a goal really of challenges. My mind doesn't like to sit there. I have a really diverse science engineering background, working in heating equipment, wastewater treatment systems, DNA sequencing. So I always like to bring these kind of diverse backgrounds from the past into whatever I'm doing. I've always loved flying in space, rockets, planes, you name it. But as long as my brain can still work well and solve those problems that I see and read about and work with people on, I'm a happy soul.